Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Aknot Media Global, proudly hosted by Aknot Academy. We're excited to have you here. On this channel, you'll gain access to practical media and tech training sessions and real-world strategies from industry professionals. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell.
Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you on how to generate a professional photo shoot using AI. And so the first thing you need to do is go to Pinterest and search for professional photo shoots. There are lots of photo shoots, styles and posts that you can download and regenerate for your own professional photo shoots. So select from anyone that you like, and so let's search.
Okay, so let's select this one. So I'll open new tab to download it. Yeah, so let's download this particular picture. So the next thing to do is to go to ChatGPT, and here on ChatGPT we need to import the picture we downloaded. So I'm going to drop it inside the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate the prompt for the guy's dress and professional photo shoots, style and pose. Yeah, let's generate. So as you can see, ChatGPT has generated the prompt for the professional photo shoot. So the next thing to do is to import the picture, like a picture of yourself that you have on your phone. I'm going to import this into ChatGPT and then copy the generated prompt and then paste it inside your chat box. Kindly read through your generated prompt before you send. So read through, check some details, correct some stuffs. Yeah, so that's just it. Ensure you read through the generated prompts. So at the beginning of the generated prompt, I added that ChatGPT should regenerate myself in the African confident businessman, followed by the generated prompt. And here we have the professional photo shoots. So look at it. So we have the face resemblance to be 100% using ChatGPT to generate a professional photo shoot.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos. Your dream helps us reach more people who are eager to learn and grow just like you.